Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Happy 100th day of school! Let's start with blending. I'll say the sounds, you repeat them, and then we'll blend the word. T, g. Tug, b, d. Bud, f, n. Fin, b, at. Bat, s. Fuss, t. Hut, z. Fuzz. Good. Let's get ready to roller coaster some words. First word is cup. K, up. Sad, sad. Mix, mix. Pot, pot. Mud, mud. Gum, dad, dad. Him, lot, lot. Sun, Okay, now we're going to segment words. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll chop out each phoneme. Fun, man, fin, cot, ot. Hug, g. Dug, g. Ran, Nut, nut. Big, big. Top, top. Good work. Let's get ready to do phoneme substitution. So you have your fists ready. I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is nut. Change n to hut. The word is tip. Change t to d. Dip. The word is hug. Change h to r. Rug. The word is can. Change k to v. Van. The word is fox. Change f to b. Box. Good. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part, the rhyme. We'll add the beginning sound or the onset and blend them to make a new word. The word is add. Add p to the beginning. Pad. The word is us. Add b to the beginning. Bus. The word is op. Add t to the beginning. Top. The word is ub. Add r to the beginning. Rub. The word is id. Add h to the beginning. Hid. Good. Last exercise, deleting phonemes. So we'll start with the word and then we'll remove the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is sub. Without s, the word is ub. The word is dip. Without d, the word is ip. The word is cob. Without k, the word is ob. The word is gum. Without g, the word is The word is his. Without h, the word is. Good job. Happy 100th day.